Good morning, namaste, and welcome back to my channel. And in this video I'm going to bring you my entire week of being here in Karnatica. First and foremost, I went to a Carnatic wedding. It was incredible. So with the current situation, only 40 people were allowed at the wedding. And having a small number, it was actually really great because it meant that I could really observe the rituals of a Carnatic wedding. So when I say Carnatic wedding, what I mean by that is that I live in India in the state of Karnatica, and these rituals are Carnatic rituals. And as well as going to a wedding, I went on a forest walk. You won't believe what I saw in the forest. I saw snakes and monkeys. I am not joking, I did. Then I went back and did some yoga routines, and then my friend Parvhiti cooked me the most delicious, divine vegetarian meal in the forest. So I'm now going to show you my entire week, starting with the wedding. The route to the wedding along the beach, you cannot beat it, can you? Walking to a wedding on the beach. I cannot wait for this wedding. So they're blessing the groom, they're blessing the bride. And then that woman's just given that little girl who's given the blessings a gift. And then they walk. There's another blessing. Blessing the groom, blessing the bride. And then I don't know if he's going to take a gift. Maybe not. Yes, he's got his gift. And then they walk. So this is the rice blessing that is being used to bless the bride and groom. This is what the people are using. They bless them, they receive a gift, and they walk. Looks like these are the wedding gifts. They've got banana leaves in front of the bride and groom. Washing their feet. So by the time I arrived at the wedding, the bride and groom were already married because I was late. Because I thought normally things would start later in India, but not for weddings. But I've seen that gorgeous ritualistic blessing. It's so beautiful. And having a wedding on the beach. So I think it's time for food. The food does look incredible, but unfortunately I can't fit anything else in my body. Oh my goodness me, I had 3 chapatis, chapati bhajan for breakfast, and it was only really an hour ago. So I just cannot fit any more food in, but it did look very nice. What an amazing, gorgeous wedding. I just loved those ritualistic ceremonies so much. So, a couple of great things about being on an Indian lockdown is weddings are small, so I learn all about the rituals, which I've never really been able to do before. And you can go on absolutely wonderful walks through forests and rice fields. So, oh my God, there's 2 snakes! There's 2 snakes! Snakes! It's massive! It's moving, moving. I really don't think I can stay here any longer because see his head, and then that's another one. There's 2 of them. Hi, monkey. Wild monkey, you've got your friend in the tree eating the bananas. Are you not hungry? Don't even think about looking at me like that. Don't scare me. Right, let's see your friend. Wow. There's always bananas in this tree. Because somebody's just kind and wants to feed the monkeys. Oh. Oh, bless. Monkey. Monkey live. It just makes my day to see them. Lovely yoga practice. Having a cup of tea, but I've just spilt it down me, so please excuse me. And you're having a day of vlogging and you've been in the forest and then you're drinking tea and your life's outdoors with outdoor weddings. You're just so happy, and yeah, things happen like you spilled tea on yourself, but hey, it happens. So yes, I'm doing outdoor cooking today with my best friend Parvhiti. Lots of Indian cooking, yes. Why not? We live in a forest area and I'm going to eat outdoors in the forest and cook. Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello. My name is Parvhiti.
And what are you doing for us today, Parvhiti?
I am making a beetroot subjee making.
Beetroot subjee making on the outdoor fire.
Yeah.
I can't wait. So we're making subjee, right, Parvhiti? Subjee. And she's now slicing the tomato. I just love that knife slicer so much. So she's slicing tomato. She sliced the onions. I can't wait. Especially like I do a lot of yoga practice and then I follow all the vegan diet. In fact, this lady cooks me a vegan thali every night. She's amazing. Slicing tomatoes, fantastic. So we actually slice it. It's like a knife slicer. There we go, it's a knife slicer. So this is Parvhiti and she's sitting with her daughter Jasri. Jessery's eating the beetroot as Mummy's cutting it with that knife. So you get the whole beetroot and you just slice it with that beetroot knife. I've never seen a knife like that before. Interesting. Hi, Jessery. So Parvhiti's just going to make the fire for the outdoor cooking. See, she's got some strength, hasn't she? My God. I'm going to help Parvhiti with cutting the wood for the fire for cooking. Okay. So the idea that you just turn it and keep mashing it. So you've got to be really patient. You can see Parvhiti does it immediately. Okay. So we lit the matches, we got the fire going. Oh, good flame. So coconut oil in the pan on the fire. Mustard seeds. Chopping mustard seeds. Wow. What's this, sorry? Calliput leaves. These leaves are called calliput. Garlic. Right, and then give it a stir. So once it kind of reaches boiling point, that's where we add the calliput and the garlic to the mustard seeds and the oil. Onions. Tomatoes. A good stir. And beetroot. So I think this is what we call a beetroot subjee, because it seems to be the dominant ingredient. How beautiful. Sure. We're adding water. Salt, generous sprinkling of salt, people. Give it a stir. Parvhiti's just giving that a stir. So we add coconut to the mixture. Give it a stir. And then we bring it to boil. Okay, so we partly cover it and we just let it boil away on the fire. So once we remove the lid after the 15 to 20 minutes, keep this boiling for half an hour. Okay. And it's ready, because what happens is that it absorbs all the water and becomes dry. So there we go. We have got a ready subjee, a beetroot subjee. Wow, yum. I'm dying to try the beetroot. Jessery, do you want to try the beetroot as well? So Jessery is Parvhiti's daughter. Parvhiti is the lady who did the cooking. Say hi to everyone. Say hi. Oh, do you like it? I think that's a yes. I think that's a yes, so I will try some now. Oh. The flavours have really seeped through so beautifully. Absolutely gorgeous. Jessry, is it good? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that meal. It was incredible. So delicious, so divine. So, with the beetroot itself, it's really good for preventing heart disease. It's great for preventing cancer, and it's a really good mineral booster. So beetroot is a superfood, and because it's cooked, it's soft, it's warm, and it's easy to digest. So it's just gorgeous. And if you would like online cookery classes from the lovely Parvhiti, just comment below and I will sure arrange that for you. All classes are on a one-to-one and are reasonably priced. So that is really good. So I thoroughly hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I did, from the wedding and the rituals to the forest walk, seeing snakes, seeing monkeys, doing a bit of yoga and cooking outdoors in a forest. I brought you so much in this week and I love bringing it to you. So if you like what you see and you see what you like, then please subscribe to my channel. Cost of channel subscription, nothing. Free service from YouTube to inform you every time a new video comes out. So you will never, ever, ever miss a video. So if you would also like to support me by buying me a chai, I'd be ever so grateful. It just means that I can get new equipment so I don't really get blurry camera syndrome. I can get better selfie sticks that aren't really shaky when I move around, and of course it's really good for helping me with things like food and rent in these COVID times as well. So shanty, 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 sending much gratitude for those that would like to give me some financial support for bringing them some videos. So the link for buying me a chai, it's actually called Buy Me a Coffee, but I say Buy Me a Chai, and the link is below. So you can just click on the link and just a small donation is absolutely fine. So thank you all very much for watching and see you on the next vlog.